Okay, so 22, metal X reacts with non-metal Y in, oh, you again, this is a perfect couple. Wow, but this time, right, this girlfriend got 2 boyfriends. This sounds like Erica lah, but Erica is not here. Is Erica here? One girl dating two boyfriends. Okay, X is group 1. Maybe. Let's say this is group 1, right? Then Y must be group 7. Y must be group 6. A good example is sodium oxide. Okay, X is group 2. Cannot. Group 2, you can't form. Okay, so Y is group 7. Not really. This is 6, right? Y is group 6. Yeah, correct. Oh, 10%. I think my iPad can last. I have faith. Oh, okay, next. Some property of group 4 element. Okay, silicon. So remember, yeah, this silicon is a giant. What do you mean by giant? Okay, giant, they are very strong. When they are very strong, they have high melting and boiling point, right? Okay, silicon. Let's look at this part. The property of silicon. So density, oh my god, this is way too high. My god, this is so crazily high. This is wrong. Because this is way too high. Okay, next, what about 6.22920? 6.22920. Okay, as you go down, do you see a trend? Okay, it slowly increases, right? You go down, you see a trend, decreases slowly, right? Okay, so any value of 1997 is wrong because it's smaller. This one is okay. I mean, this one is okay. 32 is also okay. Density, do you see that this is way too high? So this is out. So the answer is A. Yes, correct. Silicon, diamond, and graphite. In your syllabus, just these 3. Silicon, diamond, graphite are giant. They are super strong. Okay, so they have strong covalent bond. At the same time, they have high melting and boiling point. Okay, sexy. Okay, so let's move on. 24. Okay, beryllium does not react with cold water. Okay, why is it so? Because beryllium is not very reactive. Okay, it's not very reactive. Okay, it reacts with HCl but cannot be extracted by using carbon. Okay, by using carbon. Okay, so what happened is that, okay, so it reacts with HCl. Okay, and it cannot be extracted using carbon. Where is beryllium placed in reactivity series? Okay, first, you look at magnesium here. Magnesium is very reactive, you know. So beryllium is less reactive, right? So beryllium should be somewhere here. Okay, so B, A is correct. Okay, next, it reacts with HCl. Metal can react with HCl, right? Okay, next, cannot be extracted from its ore using carbon. Okay, so by the way, carbon is somewhere here, yeah. Okay, so if carbon is somewhere here, you must have it higher than carbon, right? So the answer is A. Okay, because it can't be placed lower than carbon. Okay, they say cannot be extracted using carbon, so carbon can't reduce it. Okay, Kenna, please write it down.